This video tutorial demonstrates how a student submits a paper to VeriCite using the Canvas LTI integration. In Canvas, navigate to the assignment you would like to submit. Click on the button to load the assignment in a new window. Click the Submit to Assignment button and then choose the paper you would like to submit. You may either attach a file or enter a text submission through copy and paste. If you choose to attach a file, you may either use drag and drop or click the Browse Files button to locate and select the file on your computer. VeriCite accepts most file types, such as Word, PDF, rich text, and OpenOffice. However, it does not support Apple Pages or Microsoft Works. Review your submission in the text editor to make sure everything looks correct. When you are ready, click the Submit button to submit your assignment. And that's it! Your paper has been submitted to VeriCite. Once the paper is submitted, you will see it listed in your submissions for this assignment. If your instructor has allowed students to view their own reports, you may click on the submission to view the plagiarism report.